Hello, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to try 5 different omelette recipes which are a quick fix to your breakfast. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before you move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So the basic ingredients for the omelette are eggs, milk, salt, pepper and butter. Depending on what omelette we are going to make, I'll show you the ingredients required for that omelette. So let's begin. So to make the cheese omelette into the egg mixture, I've taken 2 eggs here. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of milk to it. So for per egg you will take 1 teaspoon of milk. Now we'll just beat it nicely and add salt and pepper to it. Now this is ready, so let's start making the omelette. So I placed a non-stick pan on medium-high heat and I've added butter to it, and the butter is nice and sizzling right now. Now in goes the egg mixture. And once you add it to the pan, immediately just scramble it a little. This gives a little bit of texture to the omelette. And just swirl it around. Now we'll let the egg cook. So you can see the omelette has become nice and fluffy. At this stage, we'll add the mixture to one side of the omelette along with some grated cheese. Now we'll flip the omelette. It's turned nice and golden. You can remove this into a plate and serve it. Butter is nice and hot. So for the mushroom omelette, I've got garlic which I've chopped here and some mushroom which I've sliced. We'll add these into the butter. Now we'll toss the garlic and the mushroom in the butter and cook it for a few minutes. So this is done. Let's remove this into a plate. So nice, the butter has nicely sizzled. Now let's pour the egg mixture. As soon as you pour the egg mixture, just scramble it a little so that your omelette is not flat and has a little bit of texture. Just fill the gaps with the egg mixture. Now this is your basic omelette. We'll just cover this and let it cook. Once the omelette is half done, we'll just add the mushroom and garlic mixture which we have already sauteed for some time into one side of the omelette. And now we'll let it cook further down. Now once it's nicely cooked, we'll just flip it on top like that. And now you can remove it into a plate. So now we'll start on the veg omelette. For that, I've got some butter heating up on the pan. In here I've got some broccoli, spinach and some spring onion which I've chopped and kept ready. We'll add this into the butter. If you get green zucchini, you can add that as well. We'll cook these ingredients in the butter for a few minutes. So while the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of mixed herbs into this, as well as a little bit of salt. Now we'll just toss it a little in the pan and then we'll cover and cook it until the broccolis and the spinach is done. So the vegetables are cooked and done. We'll remove this into a plate and start with the omelette. So again, the pan is on medium-high heat. The butter has started sizzling. I've got the same egg mixture here. That's 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of milk, salt and pepper which I've nicely whisked and got it ready. Now we'll pour the egg mixture in and quickly scramble it. Spread it out nicely. Now we'll cover this and let it cook. So the egg is cooked nicely. Now let's transfer the veggies to one side of the egg. Let's fold the omelette. This is ready. You can remove it into a plate and enjoy it. So let's start with the paneer and capsicum omelette. For that I've got some butter heating in a pan. I've also added a little bit of oil to it. Now into this we'll add finely diced paneer and capsicum. We'll just cook this for a few minutes. Now I'm adding a pinch of pav bhaji masala to this, and we'll just nicely toss the paneer in the masala. We'll also add a little bit of salt and let it cook for a few minutes. So the paneer and capsicum is done. I've got the egg mixture ready in here. The same 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of milk, salt and pepper. I've poured the egg into the pan and it's cooked nicely. The omelette is cooked nicely. We'll just flip it over like that. And this is ready to be served. So the next omelette we are making is mug omelette. So for making this omelette we need a mug, a medium sized coffee mug. I have applied butter to the insides. Apart from this we need eggs, milk, and I've got some chopped tomatoes and spring onion in here. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I've also got salt and pepper ready in here. Now let's start making the omelette. So into the mug I've added the eggs, and into the eggs we'll add milk. Season it with some pepper and salt. And then we'll whisk it nicely. Now let's add the vegetables into this. You could also use capsicum and different kinds of bell peppers in this dish. Now we'll microwave this in high for 30 seconds. So I've taken the mug out of the microwave after 30 seconds. Now we'll just whisk the eggs once again. And we'll put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. So you can see the egg has set, but there's a little bit liquid left. So we'll just whisk it once again. And put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. So you can see the egg has set nicely. You can serve this hot with some bread toast. So the 5 different omelette recipes are ready. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.